make a chocolate.
Yeah, what's this?
It's
bread?
Burger.
You got your bread?
Yep, I got bread.
Now you're gonna make you put the chocolate on there?
Okay. Okay. Now make. Only you love. Okay.
Yeah, you're smart.
There. Now make another chocolate.
Okay, get some more.
Oh, got some here. More. No?
Is that your favorite?
Yep.
You like to eat chocolate sandwich? Troy?
Huh? So let's make it. Make.
Okay, here, let me do it.
Okay.
Hey! Shh. What are you doing? Get out of there. Close it. Thank you. Get away from there. Come on. Stand up. Good boy. Kavika, awa. Kavika. Awa. Awa. Kavika. Kavika. Shh. Awa. 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 Kavika. Let me see. What are you doing? What's that? What is that?
I'm happy.
What are you eating?
It's my red chocolate.
Baby. Kavika. Kulunga. Soya. Yo. So nasty. Oh, did he poop? You smell poo-poo toilet in the diaper?
Yep, I smell it.
It's called poo-poo toilet.
Oh, a poo-poo.
Let me see your curls. You got nice curls too.
Mommy. Okay.
Oops, I put trash in your hair.
Mommy, and let me fix your hair.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, you look good.
I'm a girl, yeah.
I'm boy.
Yes, you're a boy.
Where you go?